What in the world is Pinterest guided search? That's what we're going to cover today. I am Kate All with Simple Pin Media. We've been doing Pinterest marketing now for over 10 years. I'm going to take our expertise with Pinterest and working for our clients and share it with you here to educate you so that you can leverage Pinterest to help your business grow. Let's dive in. Okay, first step, what is Pinterest guided search? So when you go into Pinterest, what you'll see is a little search bar. This will be either on mobile or on desktop. When you put in a key phrase or a keyword, what ends up happening is search prediction. So right below, you'll see words that are predicting you're going to search this. So it's almost like they're guessing what's in your brain, right? So you click on it and then all of a sudden these colored bubbles pop up at the top of your screen. And this is what we call guided search. So just the other day, I was searching for body types because I wanted to see this new feature that Pinterest has just added in. And when I did that and I searched, what is my body type or straight body type? I got things like capsule wardrobe or spring outfits for Apple body types. So there's this way for you to drill down to who you are and how to personalize your experience. Pinterest is very concerned with making sure that the end user has a really great experience with the content on the platform. So what that means is that you open up your Pinterest account and what's there is called the Smart Feed. And that Smart Feed is really guided by your searches. And when you go through these guided searches, it lets Pinterest know, oh, they're interested in this. They're interested in this. It's kind of like the Pinterest black hole. If I start looking at body types and then I go to capsule wardrobe and then I go to spring capsule wardrobe, I can keep going until I no longer get these colored bubbles at the top. We love these bubbles as a user because we can leverage the keywords that we're seeing there in order to use those in our Pinterest descriptions, our Pinterest titles, our board names, and our board descriptions. All right, if you are looking for Pinterest business advice and tools and resources and news, then I'd love for you to sign up for our weekly Pinterest Made Simple newsletter. This is brought to you every Wednesday. I write it and I gather together all the resources, all the news that's happening around the interwebs and help serve up to you in a really simple, easy to read format where you can understand what's happening on Pinterest. You can get access to tools that will help you get better and you'll be able to talk about Pinterest at a party like you know exactly what you are talking about. So it's basically the Pinterest Cliff Notes. Again, you can get this for free at simplepinmedia.com/newsletter. Just click the link below in the description to sign up now. I'm going to walk through an example with you of what I'm doing on my phone right now. So I'm looking at body types and what I get immediately is petite, women, realistic, to dress for, outfits for thick body types, average, small, men, and different. So if I click on women body types, then I'm knowing I'm looking for body types for women. Then it goes into normal, athletic, different, shape, 3. I don't even know what that means. Muscular, workout, mesomorph, and chart. So I'm going to do normal. And now it is normal body type women. Now we're going even deeper into fashion, outfit ideas, and drawing poses. I'm going to click on outfit ideas. And then we no longer see the guided search bubbles at the top. What this tells us is we're kind of at the end of the guided search. And our final thing is normal body type women, outfit ideas. And that's what Pinterest is giving us. So if I am in the fashion space and I want to optimize for getting on this last page here, where I know where normal body type women are looking for outfit ideas, I would use that phrase in my pin description. Here are normal body type outfits for women looking for how to dress for spring. You can probably zhuzh that up a little bit, but you get the idea. We're using that key phrase, and that tells us that these words are really important to Pinterest. They help guide the Pinterest user as to what to search for and how to get to exactly what they want. All right, so that's it. That's a really simple explanation as to how guided search works. Now, if you want to know how to show up in search, click here to watch this video and we'll explain to you how to leverage all the key components on Pinterest so that you can show up in front of your ideal user. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe to get more Pinterest tips, tricks, and education to help you grow.